Hey everyone, it's Mary, Cajun DIY Diva, and today we have another hotel room tour. We are in the great state of Texas, and we are in College Station at the Hilton College Station and Conference Center. So this is what they call a cabana room. We're on the first floor, which usually just has like conference rooms and stuff, but there are a few hotel rooms. So here's the door to come in. So we start there. And here's what you see when you walk in. There is an adjoining door there, so you know, if you have family that you would like adjoining rooms, you could use this room. This is room 169. You have a little sink area right here that is open to the rest of the room. Right here is the closet. It has a little safe in there, all the regular stuff. And a quite tight bathroom. But I'll show you the products that they have for the room. And a tub shower combo. The door barely clears the toilet, so it's quite compact, but the rest of the room is huge. So we thought we were just getting a king room, and we have this whole living area. It has the TV, a desk. Here's your coffee maker, Cuisinart. You can make 2 cups at one time with the microwave and refrigerator. Sofa. I do not know if that is pull out, but I will check and leave it comment in the description. Nice chair with ottoman. It has this type of air conditioning unit, which is we look out onto the parking lot, and this is on the side of the building that has, I think, the conference center. So here is the bedroom. It's just this little area. Only one side table. And there is a chair right there. Same view out the window. So this is quite nice, this area. So this room is called a cabana room, which means it is somewhere near the pool. We haven't figured out how to get to the pool from this floor, but I will put in a picture of the pool so that you could see what it looks like. And so there's our tour, College Station, Hilton. So if you like these videos, I do lots of hotel room tours. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel so that I can keep doing hotel room tours. Thanks for watching.